We're going to add some text to our photograph. So I'm going to click on the text tool from the toolbar. I want to make sure that I have the horizontal text tool. And there are all kinds of different tools that are out there, but we want the horizontal type tool. And I'm going to click on my document. Now notice that I've given myself a brand new text layer, and it's above the layer with all the color in it. And mine is below the picture of the student. And it doesn't matter if yours is above the student or below the student, but you do need it to be in front of, on top of, the color layer. Now, up here I can see that my text is going to come in black, which on my graphic, that's going to work okay. Now, you may have to look at that to make sure that you have a color that is going to be good contrast on your document. And I'm going to set this up to about 36 point, and let's find a font that will work. And you want a font that's going to be readable. So I'm going to type in Bow, S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Okay, I'm going to click OK on that. Now, we need to make some changes here. First off, I'm going to highlight this text by triple clicking. I did want to make sure that my font was smooth, but I'm going to come over to this tool now, which is going to allow me to create an arc. It's basically saying, hey, I'm going to have to do something to this text, like, okay, we can handle that. And we're going to create this arc. And there it is. It's like a little halo now. Well, I'm going to do a couple of things. First off, I'm going to click on the picture of the student, that layer. I'm going to grab the moving tool, and I'm going to move the student a little more to, and by the way, notice that I made sure that we have the bottom of this photo about as far down as we can get. So I moved the student over to the edge of the photo as much as I could. Now I'm going to click on where my text is, and I'm going to set that up so that it is pretty much over the head of our student. Okay, next thing, more text. This time I'm going to click over here, and we'll type in major, minor, and let's type in hometown. Now, things are not looking too well with this. My text is just kind of on top of each other. I'm going to go to Window, and let's see if I can find character. There's my character. Let's see. I've got a 36 point font, but my leading is 18 point. That's the problem. Let me move that out. And you may not have that problem, but you can always control the leading from the character panel. Also, I need to move this over a little bit. I grab my moving tool, move that over some. Okay, I'm making a lot of progress with this assignment.